Welcome to the fourth and last part of the Going Behind the Scenes of the Time and Where Metro series. If you've watched the whole series up until now, thanks so much. If not, I'll link the previous 3 episodes in the description so you can go watch them first if you want. This video will look at my trip back to the US and will also feature some stuff about what it's like to be a conductor at the Southeastern Railway Museum. I had a fun day with Time Metro. I'm at Newcastle Central about an hour, 15 minutes before my train, so I gotta kill time.
The train at platform 6 is the 1752 Lumo service to London King's Cross, calling at Stevenage and London King's Cross. This train has 5 coaches. A food and drink service will be available and served to you at your seat on board this train. Platform 6 of the 1752 Lumo service to London King's Cross.
And this phone's about to die, so that's perfect timing. Alright, so we're on the train back to London. We'll be there in about 3 hours, so it's about 10:08, I think. And I go to bed and get up super early and get the bus to the airport because the tube and the Elizabeth line will not be running at the time I need to be at the airport. So we'll be taking night buses. That'll be an adventure. Although, if I can survive taking the bus in the US, I think I can survive the night bus in London. Alright, it's 10:16, so we got back a few minutes late. That's okay. Now I've got to get up at 2:45 to catch my bus. That gives me 30 minutes to get all my things together and check out of the hotel before the bus will arrive at the bus stop at 3:15. And then it's about an hour to Heathrow. And our security at Heathrow is like it's been at JFK in Atlanta. I'll be through in no time, and I would have gotten to the airport 3 hours early for no reason. But I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. So I guess it's worth it in the end, just to be safe. Today was an amazing day. I don't know what commentary I'm going to add to the pictures and videos that I took. So I guess you'll know, because you already have seen it at this point. Yeah, it was a very fun day. I got to do some really cool things. Kind of had like a little mini Tom Scott moment with the Gateshead Millennium Bridge. Yeah, it reminded me a lot of Tom Scott's Tower Bridge video, except it was Gateshead Bridge, and I think the Gateshead Bridge is cooler than Tower Bridge, but don't tell London that I said that. So good night. See you guys at 2:15 in the morning. Alright, it's 2:52, so it's time for me to go check out of the hotel and then walk over to the bus stop and wait for my 3:15 bus. That'll take me to Paddington, and then at Paddington I'll take a train to Hayes and Harlington, and then I take a second bus to Heathrow. It's super early and I'm very tired, but here we go.
To Trafalgar Square.
almost fell getting off or walking down the stairs to get off the bus. I almost fell down the stairs, but we're at Heathrow a little bit later than expected because of the route change. Yeah, now it's time to walk over to Terminal 2 and go through security. Alright, I'm already through security. That was really fast, probably because I'm one of the first flights out of the morning, since Heathrow closes overnight due to the presidential areas near the airport. And also Heathrow has the new fancy scanners, which also sped up the process. I get 2 windows on this flight, which is amazing. Just arrived back at JFK like 30 minutes early. It's a super bumpy landing though because it was like 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, so it was extremely bumpy on the landing. It felt like being on a roller coaster. I've now got 4 hours until my next flight boards. Got through security and it turns out I have to go back, or I got through customs and it turns out I have to go back through security to get to my connecting flight. So that'll be fun. Made it back through security. Interesting that at London, they have basically like fare gates where you can just scan your ticket and you're good to go into the security line. Whereas here they have to manually check it. Yeah, it's very interesting. To Atlanta about 2 hours late because the plane got delayed out of its previous airport, and then we had a mechanical issue at JFK, and I think those two things are probably linked. We got back so late that now I'll have to transfer trains at Lindbergh Center. It should be a timed transfer, it shouldn't be that bad. I was wrong about the red line terminating at Lindbergh Center. There's a red line train that's about to depart, so it's perfect timing. Also, it's very nice that I don't have to wait at the baggage carousel because I don't have any checked luggage. Made it to North Springs. Yeah, so that's the end of today. Tomorrow, I'm going to the Southeastern Railway Museum again, and then I go back home, or at least back to where I started this video at. Conductor SRM3, switches 23, 25, 26, all green, all line for the main. You're clear to shove 10 cars westbound, the crossing is clear and I have the whistle.
SRM3, clear to shove 10 car lengths westbound, switches 23, 25, 26, all line for the main lead, all airplane targets. Cross is clear, conductor have their whistle, here we come, SRM3 out.
Crossing is clear for 10 more cars. Switches 33 and 31 are both green and both lined for track 32.
Switches 31 and 33 are both lined for track 32. Switch that three targets.
Entering the slow zone.
That's around 300 to football.
Clear to the shop door.
That's around 600 to shop.
Two cars. One car. Half car. That's good. Clear points. Conductor to SRM3, switches 23 is now lined for track 23 with the red board. You are clear to shove. 6 cars westbound. The crossing is clear and I have the whistle.
SRM3 clear to shove 6 car lengths westbound into the platform. Switch 23 line for track 23 has a red target. Crossing's clear. Conductor has that whistle. Here we come. SRM3 out.
Crossing is clear. Clear for 5 more cars.
Boston clear, SRM, please in for 5 more cars.
Switch 24 is line to track 23.
24, line for track 23.
Clear to the platform.
SRM, please clear to the platform.
Two cars. One car. Half car. Five. 4, 3, 2, 1. That'll do. 3-step protection, please.
Three-step protection is applied on the SRM-3.
I'm at the station. The train's running about 32 minutes early, but that does not mean I'll be getting to Greenville 32 minutes early because the train will wait at the station until its departure time. I'm really tired, but it's been a really fun trip. Alright, so I made it to my car. I'm super tired, but I'll get to sleep when I get back. Thanks so much for watching this 4-part series. This trip was amazing. Yeah, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.